Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Wars Minute, our daily news and commentary show where if you give us 3 minutes, we will give you some unique insights into the greatest growth market the world has ever known. Big day tomorrow for SAP as its annual Sapphire event opens. It seems that SAP is putting a lot of emphasis on the whole theme of networks. I got a couple of ideas where they might be going with that. The keynote, which will be given by Christian Klein, and a new very senior executive at SAP that I'll talk about in just a minute. Their theme is the enterprise in an age of networks. I think one of the most interesting parts of that network is going to be what they've been talking about recently, which is the move from industry clouds, which SAP is going after very aggressively. But beyond that, on a company-to-company basis, giving them industry cloud capabilities, how do they crank that up to be able to light up entire industry networks? So big bet here for SAP. I love the vision of this. I think it's quite bold. It's pretty unique from what's going on, from what other cloud vendors are doing. And with SAP's history, the relationships it has with its customers, the incredible range of data that SAP can pull together, and the industry expertise it has, plus the big need on the part of customers to do these sorts of things across whole value chains, I think there's a lot of potential here. But I wanted to talk a little bit more about that new executive at SAP that I talked about. This is Julia White, who's got the intriguing title of Chief Marketing and Solutions Officer. And Julia is also now a member of SAP's executive board. So she's got quite a bit of heft. So for those of you who might not know of Julia, she was a longtime employee at Microsoft until several months ago when she came over to SAP. Recruited for this position. At Microsoft, Julia's most recent position was she helped really ran and did the strategy for Azure. She was the head of marketing for Azure. Very deep, rich technical expertise, but also a great marketing mind. And I think one of the reasons that SAP was so aggressive in recruiting Julia was because SAP's got all this great technology. They need to get somebody who can bundle it not only together into great solutions that appeal to what very sophisticated customers are looking for now, but also then to be able to translate those solutions over into marketing campaigns that are going to find big success out in the market. So Julia brings a new set of capabilities, not just a marketer, but a very rich technological executive who can bring those two pieces together at a time when I think SAP really has to get better at packaging the remarkable technology it has into these higher-end solutions. So I think this notion about networks, clearly CEO Christian Klein has had a big role of that, some of the other senior executives, but I wouldn't be surprised if this was a particular idea that Julia White had a lot of emphasis in. But I love this idea that SAP's come out with. I think they're going to have a lot of fun with that, pushing it through Sapphire here and open a lot of eyes to what SAP is capable of doing in the future. Thanks for being with us here at Cloud Wars Minute, our daily news and commentary show. Hope you have a wonderful day, and if you're at or watching Sapphire, I hope it's a great network event for you as well. So long.